thought we were calling it This Stupid House and Stuff.
The products that we use for this project are linked in the description below. Thanks for tuning in to our Stupid House channel, and let's take a look at our horrible bathtub. Our bathtub looked pretty decent when we bought the place, but my wife used it one time and it ended up looking like this. It is a cast steel tub. It did have a little bit of rust around the drain, so we wire wheeled that and then I hit it with the grinder. This is what it looks like when you first apply the rustoleum rust converter, and then it turns into a black primer. This stuff is still going strong months later. It's working good. Cleaned the tub up a little bit more here, and then this is right before we were ready to apply our new finish. This is the refinishing kit that we used. The activator, and when you mix this stuff together, is extremely toxic. You absolutely have to have a good respirator and good ventilation. If you don't have those two things, don't do it. This stuff made my wife sick for a few days after just breathing it in a little bit. This is what the tub looked like afterwards, and we'll take a couple more looks at it here. This is another close-up, and then one more picture of it finished. Remember, if you're going to finish your tub, make sure you have a good respirator with good filters inside of it. With the tub that we had, like right around the drain that we put in, there's a bigger part that funnels down to the drain, and water does sit in there a little bit. We don't have any filters on the water that's coming into our house for the bathtub, so it does stain a little bit right there. It's actually been getting better over time, so it's not a big deal. And we had a little bit of chipping on the one bottom skinny edge of the bathtub, but I don't think my wife noticed it yet, and it's not getting any worse, so not a big deal. The rest of it, the finish in general, is extremely durable. You can click on the squares to check out the rest of our refinishing project with this bathroom, and thanks for checking out our Stupid House channel. The products that we use for this project are linked in the description below.